Yo, hi guys. Today we are going to make a nice St.Lucian Beef Ragu. Firstly, we get a pan of hot olive oil and we pour in our washed and seasoned beef with only salt and pepper. And we then seal the beef to lock in that natural flavor. When the beef is sealed, remove from pan and place to a side. In the same pan, you put a bit more olive oil if required. And you fry a few onion, garlic, carrots, and celery with some black pepper to get the flavor out. You can now add your beef back into the pot, give it a quick stir, and then pour in your tin of tomato and 1 cup of red wine. Also add 1 tablespoon of tomato puree. Then add 1 sachet red wine stock and 1 sachet beef stock and stir gently. Add a generous amount of thyme and bay leaf to your liking. Give a quick stir, cover with the lid, and leave on a low heat for 1.5 hours, keeping checking the pot every now and then, giving gentle stirs. After stewing for 1.5 hours, take out your beef chunks and shred into little pieces and put back into the sauce and to soak in that flavor. Cook your pasta of your choice, and when almost done, mix it into the pot of beef and stir and stir. Time to plate up and serve. Happy days, enjoy.